Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notification on your YouTube app or on your email, either of the two, or when you are browsing on your PC. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make money on Fiverr as a local photographer, and then how and the process you actually need to go through on how to set up your Fiverr account and start selling your service on Fiverr marketplace. So, and trust me, there are different kind of photos you can actually make for people on Fiverr. So, and be it any kind of photo you make, you are going to make money on Fiverr platform. There are different kind of people who are actually looking for a local photographer to edit their photos for them, or to fine tune and then make a perfect photo for them. So I'll search some wedding photography, so we can see what I'm actually talking about. So then with this we'll be able to get some other keyword idea on what people are actually searching under photographer on Fiverr marketplace. So these are the suggestions for the photography, so you'll be able to implement this when you are trying to set up your account. So you can see what people are actually searching for: portrait photography, wedding photo, nature photography, photographer, product photography, wedding photo editing, wedding photography. So, and these are the existing sellers who are actually making money on Fiverr marketplace already. And you can see the kind of pictures people are actually posting, and then the kind of prices they are actually searching based on video, and then the photo editing they take for people. So you can see this kind of one, you can see this one too. So we'll be looking out to some gigs, so we can see what people are actually buying on Fiverr marketplace, and if it's worth you trying or start selling on Fiverr marketplace. Be it, I don't know how much you are charging your clients who might visit your studio to take some pictures, but trust me, you are going to make multiple of that on Fiverr marketplace, because there's no limit to what you can actually make. And of course, even if you list your price on Fiverr marketplace, you can still observe some clients, because there are some clients who will bring a project to you that is out of your gig package, so you only need to offer them a custom offer so that you'll be able to satisfy their needs. So you can see this particular one. So let's try to check on this gig and see what's in there. And let's see if some clients attach some pictures of their wedding to some gigs, so we're able to see what people are actually designing for them. So you can see this one, you can see this too. This is nice as well. So let's check on this. I think there's a lot of this here. So let's scroll down. You can see this is wedding picture. You can see this is wedding pictures. So these are really amazing. These are really amazing. And what this person does is just to edit the picture to make it perfect for his or her client. So you can see these are amazing. So these are the things you actually need to do. And there are some other way people actually make money by posting their jobs on Instagram, so that people can see, then hire them for video editing, or to be a local photographer for their photo or their future wedding, so they can book you down to take their picture or to edit their picture. So this is just for this particular gig, and trust me, this is not a high saturated niche whereby it's very hard for you to earn money on the platform. And if you want to niche down, you can also type in local photography. So definitely people are going to know you with what you do. So these are some local photography with this keyword. These are some profiles. So I guess this particular keyword is not actually trending on Fiverr marketplace yet, but if you also want to niche to some basic categories, so you can choose the wedding photography, or I'm trying to think of some other. Okay, so you can see some other keywords here. This is real estate photography, Amazon photography, jewelry photography, lifestyle product photography, fashion photography. So there are a lot of ways you can actually make money on Fiverr as a photographer. And trust me, like I said earlier on, there is no limit to what you can earn, and you don't have to limit yourself to a certain niche. If you can do all these listed stuff, so definitely you can just name your gig title. Like for instance, I will be your local photographer, wedding photography, jewelry photography, so that people will definitely know that okay, you are doing this, you are doing that, you are doing this. And some other clients will also reach out to you to ask you if you can actually do some certain projects for them. So with this, you'll be able to make more money on Fiverr marketplace. And if you are new to Fiverr and you don't know how Fiverr works or what Fiverr is, probably you just search for local photography and you find this video in your suggestion or recommend video. So definitely I have made a video on how to create a Fiverr account from scratch, so you can check on the right or left here to find the video, or go down to the description below in this video and see the video I listed on how to create a Fiverr account from scratch. And it's of two ways, so you can read or watch both videos to see how to create a professional Fiverr account on Fiverr marketplace, and how to design Fiverr gig image that will attract your clients, and also what you actually need to put in place when you are trying to set up a Fiverr account on Fiverr marketplace. And trust me, there is no where you are in the whole world that you will not be able to make money on Fiverr as soon as you have so far you have a skill that you can actually use to make money on the platform. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding this video and other video that I've made so far, you can drop a comment to any of the video, and I'll be happy to reply to your request. So I appreciate the time you spend watching my video, and you can reach out to me anytime you have issue with any of the video I've made so far. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it's really means a lot to me. Thank you, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.